this is what I did in 2018. Wow, guys, I mean, what can I say? 2018, absolutely awesome. Super blessed to be able to do some of the things that I'm doing. Just have awesome friends, awesome year altogether, and what's even better is I'm stoked for 2019 because I've got some big stuff coming up in 2019, and I'm planning on taking you guys along on that journey with me. You know, I hope everybody's having a great new year, start of the new year, and my advice is if there's something that you've been wanting to do, you know, don't put it off. Get out there, go do it. Get on YouTube, as a matter of fact, because I picked up a ton of motivation from YouTube vloggers in 2018, and it's just an amazing community to be a part of. I've got big shoes to fill, but I'm gonna try my hardest and grow the channel. So I hope everybody has a great new year, and we will see you guys on the next video, which will be shortly.